Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger always connecting error. If your Facebook Messenger keeps showing you connecting message but you are not being able to use the application, then follow the steps. Subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. The first thing to do if you want to solve the issue is to make sure that you've connected yourself to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected, go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If it worked for you, then that means that your problem was network related. Once you have a strong connection and you are being able to use your application to the fullest, then that's great for you. But if it still does not work, the next thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. To check that, simply go and tap Open Play Store. In the search box, type in Messenger. Once you make a search, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. If your application needs an update, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the app. If you see an open button, it means that your application is already updated. The next thing to do is to clear out your app cache from your system. Tap Open Settings from your Android device, and soon after you do that, scroll down to find the Apps option. Give it a tap, and from the list of the apps displayed on the screen, search for Messenger. Give it a tap and you'll end up in the app info page. Tap on the storage button and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner. This will clean up all of your cache data from Messenger. You can also tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom left hand corner and tap on OK in the pop-up. But make sure that you remember your credentials before tapping on OK. Once you are done with it, tap Open Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your connecting error. If nothing else works out, simply press hold the Messenger icon from your app list and tap on Uninstall. Remove the application entirely from your system by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Once you delete Messenger, go back to Play Store and download Messenger back again. Once download is complete, tap on the Open button, launch your Messenger application, and log into it. Soon after you're logged in, refresh your newsfeed for a couple of times and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Messenger like you were supposed to and it only shows you connecting error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.